Hi everyone, I am Miss Dillard. Welcome to our summer course of American Literature 2. This is my 1,000,000th time filming this video because I have a sweet little dog here who keeps knocking over the camera. We'll see if we can get through it this time. I'm hoping that this will be a pretty brief video. You'll notice that many of the videos that we have on our course this semester will be brief because it is not easy to upload big video files to Moodle. If we ever need to upload big video files to Moodle, I will get you a link to an outside source so that we can access those. For today though, I think that I can keep it pretty short. So, a few things that you need to know about this class. We had originally intended for it to be a class that did meet live online every single day except for Friday. But because of the size of our class, we have between 15 and 17 people in the class at this time. It would be a bit difficult to get us all online on one platform at the same time every single day of the week. So we're not going to do that. Instead, we are going to watch video lectures like this that you're watching right now, and that will be your class, and then you will have an assignment that corresponds with that to complete to show that you attended class, if that makes sense. So if you have a chance, please look at our syllabus. I'm going to go over a few things on our syllabus today. The first thing that I want to talk about is my email address. It is gdillard@judson.edu. And then the second thing I want to talk about is office hours. So this semester, office hours will be a little bit different because you will have to schedule them with me, and we will complete those virtually either via FaceTime if you have an iPhone or a Mac, or we will complete them on Moodle via Big Blue Button. Either way is absolutely fine. And I think that's all I need to go over in the general section. I bet a lot of you have questions about what our book looks like. I'm afraid to lean over and get it because the phone might fall down, but I'll try. Bear with me. Okay. Our book looks like this. It is the 1865 to present Norton Anthology of American Literature, shorter 9th edition. If you have the shorter 8th edition, that's absolutely fine as well. I actually think that the readings are listed in the, I can't remember which edition, but either one of those editions is fine. You will likely have a lot of the readings no matter what. Work on getting that as soon as possible, but if you don't have it yet, most of these readings are available online, and I'm happy to help you access those anytime you need to. All right, so let's start talking about what this class will be made of. In this class, we will have approximately 4 different portions of your grade that make up your grade. So we'll have a midterm on 6-1. We will have a formal essay due on 6:30. We will have a final exam also on 6:30. And then we will have participation, aka those weekly assignments that I talked about that you would have to do in this class. Each of those is going to be worth 25% of your grade. Really simple, 4 different parts, all worth equal amounts. The final exam will not be cumulative. The one essay that you have to write in this class has to be 8 to 10 pages. One other thing that I have not mentioned is that you will have, within your weekly assignments, you will also have a presentation of sorts that you have to complete. I will assign this to you, and what I would recommend if you're not a big Englishy person is that you might decide to write your formal essay on what you research for that presentation because you'll already have some information about it. But other than that, you can feel free to pick any of the readings that we complete this semester to do your formal essay. We'll talk about that plenty more as we go. Let's scroll down some more. If at any time you have a question in this class, feel free to email me. But as you saw on our Moodle page, we are very uniquely blessed this semester in that we have 2 teaching assistants that you also have access to. We have Leela Ball and Chasley Matmenavong. Chasley has to tell me if I pronounced it right. I think that I did. Yay. Both of their email addresses are available to you on our Moodle page, and you can email me or you can email them anytime that you have questions about the texts or anything in this class. They will often post lectures each week, so if you notice you have a question about a lecture they posted, email them. If you have a question about a lecture I posted, email me. If you have a question about anything, email any of us and we will answer you. All right, so you will see that each week you have many different readings listed, and those readings are due throughout the week, not by any particular day, but you'll see that everything, the assignments that you have that correspond to those readings are all due by Friday. So anything you have to do in this class weekly, you need to have done by Friday. So that's going to be an important day here. This week we are reading American Literature 1865 to 1914. You only have access to that if you have the textbook. So if you don't have the textbook yet, send me an email and I will get you access to those readings. You also need to read Mark Twain's The Notorious Jumping Frog of Calaveras County. And you will also be reading selections from Mark Twain's The Adventures of Huckleberry Finn. That's what we got going on this week, and there will be assignments that correspond with that. We're starting off slow this week, and I will be posting lectures for you to help you make sense of those readings. So I will keep you posted via email anytime we have an assignment due, anytime there is anything expected of you that you need to do, so you need to be sure to check your email every single day, except for weekends. Feel free to take your little break over the weekend. And that is kind of how our class will go. This is almost 7 minutes, so that's a little longer than I expected. I might have to break this up for Moodle. Y'all bear with me. And I am looking forward to our class this semester. Y'all be sure to introduce yourself on the discussions, the introduction discussion portal, because I am looking forward to meeting all of you. A lot of you are familiar faces, but some of you are not, and some of you might not be familiar faces to each other. So I will talk to you all soon, and I will see you on the introduction discussion. Bye.